Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Viator and what is this website first of all, and then second, how you can join the affiliate program, the Viator affiliate program, and then some of the ways you can use it to also details commission, what's the commission percentage setup. I'm going to show you how you can join the affiliate program, and I'm going to show you there in the dashboard how you can set a payment, everything you need to know, and some methods you can use to actually make money with this affiliate product. So I said affiliate product actually with this with this website, with Viator, how you can make money with this program, with this platform. Sorry. So what is Viator? Is actually a platform where you can simply booking travel, tours, activities. You can go somewhere, you can book to a destination. So you pretty much can book anything from tours, food, wine experiences, culture, museum visits, walking tours, water sports, as you can see here, top activities, walking down in Rome. We can see here day trips, explore the world, top landmarks. Let's see Colosseum, and here we have the option view all the tours and tickets, and then you can click on one of these. Now you can click on check availability. All right, and you can book to visit Colosseum for 2 per people or for more. Really nice. Check availability, click on apply, loading a value options. Sorry, this day is sold out for 2 travelers, so you can check the date. Actually, let's go this date, and now we can book now, which is pretty cool. Now they do actually have an affiliate program. Just think to yourself, just imagine you're traveling a lot. I've seen so many people doing this. They're traveling, but they just don't know about affiliate marketing. You can really partner with a platform, such as a Viator, excuse me, and there are also other platforms, obviously, but Booking.com, I believe, one, and TripAdvisor. There's so many other, but you can book with Viator, so it's a good option. I encourage you. I'm not sponsored. This is just a review, but I think it's a good option because you're doing what you love. You can travel. A lot of people, as I said, a lot of travelers, they're traveling, but I don't know, they can monetize this passion with affiliate marketing. So what you can do, guys, if you actually scroll all the way down here, you should see become an affiliate. So if I click on this link now, look, earning commissions couldn't be easier with Viator partner program. Sign up, promote, and earn. Easy sign up, instant access, earn 8 commission on all experiences to recommend. Excuse me. Weekly payouts, 30-day cookie window, and easy to use affiliate tool. Now I have to explain this. I don't know if you know or not, but I think it's really important this to understand. This 30-day cookie window, or just cookie, Amazon has this, but it's only for 1 day. Walmart has this for 24 days. And this is more popular in affiliate marketing, and it's not really complicated at all. It's really simple. So when you promote products or services through your affiliate links and someone clicks on your link but doesn't buy anything right away, this cookie gets placed on their web browser. And the cool part, this cookie sticks around for 30 days. That means if that person comes back and makes a purchase within those 30 days, you'll get a credit for the sale and you earn your commission. So let's say you're promoting travel deals on your website. A visitor clicks on your link, checks out the deals, but decides to book a trip few weeks later. Thanks for the 30-day cookie window, you'll earn your commission for their purpose. You'll still earn your commission. I think that's awesome. And wiki payouts for PayPal. That's only for PayPal. I think wiki payouts. Which is great. Wiki payouts. Easy to use affiliate tools. Also, now to join, let's see, also frequently asked questions. How much will I earn? You earn 8% commission on any experience booked within 30 days. Of any experience booked within 30 days. So, experience, right? Experience 30 days. So that's great. Now let's click on become a Viator affiliate. All right, sign up for the Viator partner program. Already have a Viator partner account? No, I'm gonna enter here my email, HowToBrowser on gmail.com. Create account. Here I'm gonna enter my password. I hope this one is enough. No, it's not. Okay, I'll just pause the video and just fill out all the information here. Enter your email, your password, click again, enter again your password, type your password here, enter your first name, your last name, your job title, and your phone number. All right, that's what you have to do. And here, guys, you have to enter your company name, enter your website or your YouTube channel, your social media, street address, industry, additional address information, city, zip code, company website address, monthly website visitors, and payout currency. And then also check this box. And now I'm just gonna pause this video and fill out all the information here. Now, if you get this error, unfortunately, we're unable to proceed with your account for Viator partner program at this time. Another solution is actually join this program, share a sale. Share a sale, what this is basically is, I can explain this simple words. So, some some companies that want more people to know about like to promote the service, the platform, to promote the products. Well, like share a sale is like the middle person who helps them do that. And if you have a website or a social media account, and you like to make some money by talking about cool stuff like clothes, gadgets, or whatever you're into, share a sale can help you with that, with those companies, because share a sale helps company create links, special links that give to people like you. You put those links on your website and share them with your friends and followers. And then when someone uses your link to buy something from that company, you earn a little, you earn a commission, like make money, right? So just create an account on share a sale, and then if you search in this box here, in this search box, you can search Viator. And you see viatorhere.com, click on go, and here you can also join the program. You can click on join program here. Tell us about your promotional methods, your general marketing plan for this merchant to help speed up approved websites you'll use. So explain here your email and click on join the program. You also here have keywords, billing, allowed, notes and things like that. So click on join the program, and they will approve you, and then you can start earning money. Now, some strategies you can use to. By the way, if you want to learn also some strategies, they also have Viator. They also have this link where you can simply, find some really interesting, article talking about how to share Viator affiliate links effectively. Some really nice information they give you. They help you with this. And now, if you have a YouTube channel or a website, let's say, you can literally just write, talk about your experience, where you're going, where you're traveling, and then you can leave your affiliate links, and then you can make commission. But remember, it's gonna take a lot of time, and it's not easy at all. It takes a lot of time to see any commissions. There's a lot of work involved, so it takes time. It's not easy, but obviously now when it comes to writing articles, then you also have to put a lot of work. So your articles are written correctly, and they're just telling your articles are like telling the readers a story. And the same things applies when it comes to creating videos. Like if you create videos on TikTok and you're talking about where you traveled and you experience, then you can ask people if you want. If you tell people you can join, is my my affiliate link. I make some commissions if you join. If you book a trip somewhere through my affiliate link, I make commissions. If you do it through my link, I really appreciate it. If it's a video, if it's a TikTok. But now to make money with Viator, you need to work on your to build like a community, to create content. You can create content. Now depends where you want. You can start, as I said, with YouTube. It's free. Like you don't have to, but with the website, you need to buy a domain. You need to buy hosting, and it's a good option as well to start with. It's up to you, which method you like the most. You can also start with Instagram, with TikTok, which method you want, but you just have to remember to be consistent, to work hard, because it's gonna take time to see any results. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave your questions down below. Like if you want to know more about how to promote maybe on YouTube or on website, I'll create a separate video because I think this video is already too long. And that's in a nutshell how you can promote, how you can earn commissions, how you can make money with Viator, and that's are some methods to promote this affiliate program. As I said, you can use YouTube or other social media. That's in just in a nutshell. There are so many other things you have to learn, and what I'm saying here is just only touching the surface, scratching the surface. There's so many other things you need to learn, but it's more about starting and learning and failing, because it's more about that. When you start and you learn, you're determined to learn, to build your business. That's really important. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it for sticking to the end. I really hope you found my tutorial valuable. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.